Want to add your emergency contact to your iPhone lock screen? It's really easy. Here's how you can set it up. To set emergency contact, step 1. You will have your medical ID set up on your iPhone. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Emergency SOS. Or you can scroll down, tap App, find out Health App. You can also see Medical ID. Just tap on it. Tap Create Medical ID. Say your name, birthday, primary language. After setting this, tap on Done from the top right corner. Here you can see the emergency contacts. Tap Add. Tap Add Emergency Contact. Find the person you want to set as emergency contact for you. Select the contact. Select the relationship you have with the person. Tap Done. Now from the lock screen, when you fail to unlock the phone with Face ID, you can see Emergency. Tap on it. Tap Medical ID. Now you can see the emergency contact number. And that's it. Now you know how to add an emergency contact to your iPhone lock screen. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.